Okay, listen ladies, that was very, very close. I ordered over $3,000 worth of luxury shoes, and today my husband was off. So whenever they scheduled, when I ordered them, they told me it would be 4 days. I did not think they would come on a day that my husband was actually off from work. So that was really close. I need to get dressed. This is very early in the morning. I haven't even had time to get dressed yet, but I got to share with you guys tips on how to hide over $3,000 of luxury shoes from your husband. You may not have shoes, you may have clothing, you may have things that you had absolutely no business buying, but I am the queen of hiding these things. So I need to share that with you guys, but I need to go ahead and get rid of these. I need to get rid of all the evidence. I will be back and I will share with you guys my top tips for easing items in the house and hiding these amazing shopping sprees from your husband. Whew, that was close. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is actually put it in the trunk. Now this does not work if you have a super organized trunk. You need to have a little bit of a messy trunk for this to work. So what you would do is hide it in a disposable shopping bag. And you just got a lot of stuff. It doesn't really stand out. Doesn't look like you've been shopping. But you see our goodies right here. And I use a disposable shopping bag because I bring these in and out of the house all the time. So whenever I come in the house with a disposable shopping bag, it doesn't really send a trigger to him as if I came in the house with like a plastic shopping bag that says I just went shopping. But because I use these for groceries and shopping and all sorts of things, he never thinks to, you know, it doesn't really trigger him. He doesn't think that I've been shopping like recently. Again, you want to hide this in a trunk that has a lot of stuff. You don't want to just put it in a neat trunk where it's going to really stand out. That just doesn't look major. You close your trunk and you bring your treasures in at the most opportune time. So that's how you do that. Okay, now you got. So the next thing you definitely want to do is get rid of the evidence quickly. When you get huge boxes in the mail such as this one, it is important to remove them from their boxes, put them where you normally put your regular shoes, and break down all the boxes to be recycled. Get rid of all receipts and purchase stickers and everything that would suggest you just spent tons of money on shoes or items or purses or whatever that you shouldn't have. So get rid of all the evidence. I bought some shoes.
You ain't bought no shoes, you bought the store.
I didn't buy the store, baby. It was only $3,000.
$3,000?
Yes. I mean, look at that. I got a good deal. Look at them. Frye boots and Vince Camuto.
How you get a good deal for $3,000?
Well, I mean, it's $3,000 worth of shoes here. Whoa, don't do that.
And I named one of these pair of mine?
Not one pair. I'm sorry. But look, I got a good deal. They were 90% off. They were 90% off. I only spent $300. I got $3,000 worth of shoes for $300, babe.
Oh, that's a deal.
That's a deal, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a good deal.
See, I told y'all.
But still, I ain't got no shoes. So
but that's a deal, though. That's one pair of your shoes, babe.
But I ain't got no shoes, so why am I supposed to be happy? You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Ashamed? I'm excited. I told y'all. Just tell the truth. $3,000 worth of shoes for $1,000. I mean, no. Excuse me, $300. No. I got the receipt. So $3,000 worth of shoes. I paid less than $300. They were all 90% off, and they're all designer shoes. I know y'all want to see them, but I'm gonna try them on and show them to you guys. I literally got over. Here are my receipts. I know you guys love to see receipts, so let me get the receipts out. See here? Look, baby. $266.13. All the shoes were like $14, $9, $8, $12, $15, $14, $13, $15, $9, and the list goes on. So that's my first receipt. Oh, they gave me the same receipt twice. $266.13. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys the shoes. I mean, I got some gorgeous, some bling Frye boots. Now look at that. You know I had to get those Frye boots. I want to give a special shout out to Tara from the Retail Diva. I don't have a Von Mar in my area, but she went to her store in Atlanta, in the Alpharetta, Georgia area, and she found all of these for me in my size. I am so in love with all of these shoes. All right, you guys, so I'm going to do a quick try on for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I hope that you took some great tips from this video on how to sneak your new merchandise in the house. Okay, you guys, so we are going to get into today's haul. I cannot wait to share with you guys all the shoes that I haul, like over 19 pair. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know your favorite shoe. And I'm actually right now in front of one of my favorite restaurants in the Sheffield, Alabama area, which is called the Red Clay Table. It is absolutely amazing, so if you're ever here, be sure to check it out.
belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. No one else will let you down. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul as much as I enjoyed sharing both the haul and the try on with you guys. I know with a video of this nature there are going to be tons of questions. So I want to remind you guys again that these shoes were purchased during a 90% off sale that happens like once or year. So finding the shoes at the prices that I shared with you in this video is gonna probably be really tough. Not impossible, but super tough. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. I will link the shoes that I can find down in the description box below if you just have to have a pair that you saw me share in today's video. Number two, I will be donating my old shoes to someone in need, maybe to a women's shelter, since those are very close to my heart, since, you know, they helped me and my mom and my family out at a time that we really desperately needed them. So yeah, definitely that. Number three, I just wanted to share with you guys that I am a very frugal person. You guys know that. And one of my keys in life to living luxuriously for less is to shop off season. And that's exactly what, I've done here. And I'm very thankful, I'm very proud. I was able to get all of these for the price of probably one pair of these shoes. So absolutely love that as well. So I will leave all the links down below. Please tell me your favorite pair down in the description box, down in the comments below, and I'll have more event planning and backdrop videos coming your way, along with some great tutorials coming your way very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!